So why am I even doing this? Like what?
हाँ ठीक है
हाथ उठा के ऐसे? अरे अरे सर Hi, I'm Sharan. I'm a 34-year-old corporate employee working 9 to 5, just like you. And I'm also into fitness. मैं काफ़ी टाइम से fitness में हूँ, not gymming. Obviously, you can see me. But yeah, more into sports, playing, and then lot of good habits like sleeping on time, good eating habits, eating healthy all the time. And yeah, taking care of myself. But now what I'm doing is from past 1 year I've been running and उससे काफ़ी मुझे benefit मिला. So पहले I never used to run, but when I started running I felt really very nice. मुझे काफ़ी मज़ा आने लगा. Obviously I was into fitness and all, but running gave me a different kind of a kick. So yeah, उससे I started. I did multiple races, finished 1 or 2 podiums as well. Not very big ones, but yeah, ठीक है. For the start, it was really very good. Now what I'm doing is I'm trying to document this journey for all of you of how I'm doing it. Abhi there are a couple of multiple races which I'm going to do. But हाँ उसी के साथ साथ I'm trying to document all of it. I'm also planning to do Hyrox next year. Maybe this year end if I'm all prepared, but mostly I'll be doing it next year, so I'll definitely do it. And yeah, let's see where it goes. So I want to document this entire journey of how I'm preparing for my marathons, Hyrox के लिए कैसे prepare कर रहा हूँ, what I eat, what I do in entire day, what I do before my 9 to 5, because my whatever I do is mostly in the morning. मैं सुबह जल्दी उठता हूँ and I try to do all of it even before my work shift starts. So yeah, let's go. Filhal, right now I'm getting dressed and going for my functional class, which I've recently joined. So yeah, let's go. So we are here. आज काफ़ी ज़्यादा भीड़ दिख रही है यहाँ पे, probably because there is a paddle court right after here, बाजू में इसके, and I think there's some kind of tournament which is going to happen today. So उसी के कारण I see lot of people today here. So yeah, let's see. Many people are here. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, this is the paddle court that I was talking about. I think the tournament is going to start and hence there's many people who have come here. Hi guys. ये है यासीन भाई and ये है हमारे दीपक सर. हेलो सर, गुड मॉर्निंग. यस सर, आई एम व्लॉगिंग द थिंग. सो ये है हमारे दीपक सर, ये है हमारी फ्रेंड, एंड देयर आर मेनी मोर पीपल हु इज गोना कम देयर. सो दिस इज नॉट द जिम. द जिम इज गोइंग टू बी built soon. Actually वो ऑलमोस्ट बन चुका है, बट दैट्स गोना स्टार्ट समवेयर अराउंड सेकेंड वीक और थर्ड वीक. बट या, फॉर नाउ वी आर जस्ट doing our functional batches right next to the paddle court here. हाफ क्रंचेस है ना.
सपोर्ट लेके करते हैं ना, बैक साइड से सपोर्ट लेते हैं ना, बहुत इजी भी होता है एंड डिफिकल्ट भी होता है, क्योंकि वो कंट्रोल करना है नीचे लाने में बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है वो वाला, क्योंकि वो पूरा पुल करता है.
बेंच जो है ना आपका, बेंच में आपको एक होल्ड करने के लिए मिलता है.
हाँ ये एग्जैक्टली,
जो आपका सीट ऊपर करता है तो होल्ड करने के लिए मिलता है आपको, जो वो आपको ईजी करता है.
ओके, ये नीड राइट.
हाथ उठा. हाँ ठीक है.
हाथ उठा के ऐसे
नहीं, ऐसे साइड पे रखा है.
पूरा है, पूरा फुल ये वन
यहाँ
मैं जब भी वेट लिफ्टिंग करता था ना, उस टाइम पे मेरा ट्रेनर मेरे को ऐसे ही बोलता था कि जितना हो सके ना डीप ब्रीथ कर, तो यहाँ पे हॉलो क्रिएट हो जाता है, ये करो और तो ये इजीली लिफ्ट हो जाएगा पूरा।
चलो,
थोड़ा ब्रेक लो।
थैंक यू सर। अरे सर, why am I even doing this? Like, what is the whole point? मैं क्यों document करने लग गया? So the idea basically is that all my friends, whoever I know, everyone of my age, everyone who's doing a 9 to 5 corporate job, yeah, time निकालना for even an hour from our daily life is very very difficult because तुम 9 बजे की shift होती है, people leave their house around 8:30, they come back by around 6:30, 7, खाना खाते हैं and then they rest. Obviously it's very very difficult, but what I am trying to do here is I've been trying to take out time for myself, trying it for like a couple of years now, and I see the benefits. भाई मैं कोशिश करता हूँ कि मैं टाइम पे सोऊं, अच्छा खाऊं, try to include any of physical activities. कभी बैडमिंटन खेलने चले गए, कभी जिम चले गए, कभी फंक्शनल ट्रेनिंग कर रहा हूँ, रनिंग आई हैव स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम लास्ट ईयर ओनली. तो ये सारी चीज़ों से आई एम ट्राइंग टू कीप माई सेल्फ फिट, हेल्दी एंड trying to bring small changes into my life, और मुझे उससे काफ़ी ज़्यादा changes दिखते हैं. Now the point is कि अगर मैं ये सारी चीज़ें डॉक्यूमेंट करता हूँ and if I share it with you guys and if it can help you guys, and if you are also someone who wants to bring such changes in their life and want to see the change or want to improve, basically become more fit, eat healthy, so for all of that I'm just sharing my journey as well, that how do I do it. Obviously my routine is also not perfect. I'm also trying, learning, trying different things, trying to include different things, trying to include different kind of workouts. So, but yeah, at least even if it can help one person, I think that will serve the purpose of this channel. And yeah, so follow along. So we are back from our class. काफी सही था. आज we mainly did core. There were 6 exercises which we did for core today. We did half crunches, reverse crunches, then butterfly crunches. Then we did plank. So yeah, 6 exercises in total, and we did almost like 3 circuits of it. 30 to 40 reps of each exercises and 10 seconds of gap in between. So that is how we did usually. आज ज़्यादा कोई था नहीं. It was just me and Abbas because कल छुट्टी थी because of Maharashtra Day, and tomorrow again is Sunday. So yeah, आज कोई ज़्यादा कुछ था नहीं, but yeah, it was good. काफ़ी सही था. And I'll try to see if I do something else throughout the day related to anything fitness, कुछ खेलता हूँ या कुछ भागने जाता हूँ, so I'll try to record that as well. And yeah, right now I am having my protein shake right after my exercise. So usually if I'm running या फिर मैं अपनी functional class पे जा रहा हूँ, तो I'm doing I usually take protein after that. I try to take 1.5 times of my weight. So right now I'm 75, so I try to have at least 120 grams of protein every day. So 25 grams I get it from here. बाकी सब मैं I try to eat throughout the day. कभी चने खा लिए, कभी सोया से खा लिया, कभी चिकन खा लिया, कभी पनीर. So different sources of getting protein and completing that throughout the day. But yeah, all good. So if you are also someone who is doing a 9 to 5 corporate or any other profession and want to stay fit, eat healthy, and try to change their lifestyle or get good habits, so I think this channel is for you. I am trying to document the entire transformation journey of how I am going to achieve and how I have been doing so far all these years. So yeah, if it can help you, just tag along, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, let's see you tomorrow with new activity, new exercise, what I do. Yeah, let's see. Cheers.